Hey guys, Kevin with American Garage Store Supply here again up in Warroad, Minnesota, where we're doing a massive overhaul of a car wash. We're not only doing the doors and the operators, we're also doing the heaters. Because as you can see, the heaters have been in here 20 years. They're forced air units and they are completely destroyed. The conditions in here have just about killed them. And let me tell you, the only heat people are probably feeling in here is the carbon monoxide coming off the exhaust of the vehicles. Not good. So we're going to replace these with stainless steel, true dual infrared heaters. These are tube heaters, and we offer them either a single stage or a dual stage in aluminized or in all stainless steel. Super high quality, and they definitely put the heat out. Perfect for car washes, other facilities that have a high degree of moisture and have a lot of corrosion. If you want to learn more, check us out at carwashdoors.com. There you'll find all kinds of great heater products and a lot of tips and tricks in which types of facilities they work in best and whatnot. Hope to see you soon.